Could you just tell us what you're doing this morning?
Yeah, this is a typical training session. This is Windy Corner, where typical sort of conditions you can see today with all the mist and everything. And Star there is ready to search. What we're going to do is we've got two sets of bodies on the hillside, and she's trained to go in and actually pick up the air scent of the people. And she comes back, indicates, which is a jump up and a bark, and then she'll go back and she keeps shuttling until she gets me next to the bodies. Now you practice this on short distances, long distances, wooded, hillside, open areas, a whole range of things, so we're going to practice that today. What you're trying to do is you're trying to give constant sort of problems to her, you know, for her to work out. So.
You know that red rubber thing?
Yeah.
Does the person hiding, they rubbed that on themselves? Or?
No, not at all. All she's doing with this is she knows she's not going to get this until she's taken me to the body. So that's the reward, that's all it is.
Is she just picking up their normal scent? Or
what happens is everyone gives off, just by being around, you're constantly shedding skin cells, which are called rafts. And with the wind, you work always with the wind, and the wind's taking them in this sort of direction at the moment, as you can see. So she's working sort of zigzagging until she finds these scent cones, and then she'll work into the scent cone. But she knows she's not going to get this toy until she's actually found me the body. When you're training, you do put the toy with the body, because obviously you're encouraging a small dog to go off with strange, you know, to find strange people, and you have to build up the confidence. But now she will just work for the toy.
Has she been used on a real rescue?
Yeah, we've done, I think we did 9 last year, 11 the year before, and we've even worked in Wales as well on a search there, but we haven't actually found anyone. Lola's found, the other dogs found 3 people, but it's always the case obviously of you being put in the right place to actually find the people. But for the police it's just as useful, because if you have someone going missing, you know, in an area, if you can go back to the police and say, well, there's definitely no one in that area, they can put their resources into other places as well. So we've done a range of things. I mean, 10-year-old girl going missing, we've had a 70-year-old man go missing, you know, the whole range. We've had urban areas, we've had woodland, and we've had open hillside as well. So that's why constant training, keeping her G'd up. The red disc here it's a national symbol for search and rescue dogs, and they have to actually do a qualification where they have to find people over 3 days to actually get that qualification. And so the police and anyone else wouldn't use the dog unless they've actually seen that it's gone through this. And there's lots of parts to it. There's the searching, but also she's stock tested, so she won't have a chase after sheep or cattle or anything like that, because that's obviously essential. And the indication as well is it's teaching a dog to actually talk, you know, to speak. So she will speak on command. Speak! 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 Yay! Good girl! Yeah! The other hardest thing I found was that when you first got it, it's learning about the dog, the sort of psychology of the dog, because I was sort of very much good dog like this, and it's not. You've got to be all squeaky, yay, good girl, yay, yay, you know, be all excited. And apparently the police dogs, the ones in America, that's the hardest thing they have. So they get this milk bottle on a string, and for 2 weeks all they have to do is go around with this milk bottle and praise this milk bottle and learn how to. These macho Americans teach them how to be squeaky and happy and stuff. So